Ion by First Resonance, the factory operating software for next-generation companies to deliver hardware with confidence. Ion breaks down the barriers between design, manufacturing, and product delivery. By connecting factory workflows and collecting data behind the scenes, Ion saves you time so that you can get back to building. Engineers and factory operators can use data in Ion to quickly respond to changes on the production floor, improve designs and processes, and answer manufacturing questions. Ion exists to empower today's builders and propel the world forward as you build a brighter tomorrow. Join the next generation of hardware manufacturing. Try Ion today.